My name is Nichole Ruffino. I am a registered dental hygienist here at Facial Beauty Dental. I grew up in Westland, Michigan, going to Livonia schools. I chose dental hygiene as a career because I wanted the challenge of making people feel comfortable, leaving them happy and wanting to come see us every 6 months or even more frequently depending on their needs. The atmosphere at Facial Beauty Dental is very relaxing, calming. When a patient comes in, they are greeted by smiling faces, and then I bring them back and try to make them as comfortable as possible during their appointment. The staff here at Facial Beauty Dental is very welcoming. It's always willing to lend a helping hand. We are always learning from Dr. Smith. He's always teaching us and helping us grow. Coming into Facial Beauty Dental each day, I never know what the patient's going to be like, so it's kind of fun to meet new people every day and build that rapport with them and then see them returning. Come visit us at Facial Beauty Dental, where a beautiful smile increases your face value.